Welcome to you all, my friends. This is Greenhouse at Lake Road, 548 Lake Road, Kolkata 29. And I am Gopa Chakravarti here for you. So we start with our cottons again. Cottons, cottons, and cottons. I can't think without cottons. And let me take out and show you. And there's so much demand for these cottons, I can't stop showing also. Look at this. These are our Dhonikali pure cottons. This kind of handloom, eternal beauty. Dekho, these are our heritage designs. The simple cottons which are always in demand to beat the heat. This has a dual border. It has no blouse piece with the sari. This is 1500. Mix match करके पहनिए, कुछ भी ब्लाउज पहन लीजिए इसमें. कोनो একটা ব্লাউজ বেশ ম্যাচিং করে পরুন. Look at this. This is costing 1500 only for this piece. Lovely width. They're all repeat pieces, but there was such a huge demand, so I thought, let me show again. Look at this. This is styled like this. Look at the horizontal way of designing the whole sari. It has a mustard, black and red in color. Very shundar, and this patti border is looking so beautiful. They're all handwork. Handloom saris, Dhonikali saris. You need not put starch. Well, it will give you a drape, very comfortable drape. This is the sari which is costing you only 1500. 1500, dear friends, for all this stuff. We had so many colors in this. Now this time I'll show you the blue one. We gave you red, we gave you green, and this time it is blue in color. Central paneling. But they do look fabulous. When worn, it will give you a beautiful look. Very smart, elegant look. Checkered this side. Look at this. এই বুননটা কিন্তু হাতের বুনন ধনেখালির. These are all evergreen designs and it will pass over to generations. This is the one on beige. And they're all handloom marked. You could notice this. They're all handloom marked. Hand woven cottons. Simple ones. Wash and wear these saris, but in a delicate hand wash. It will hold the color also. I didn't mention the price of that. That is also 1500. Dekho to. The checkered ones are how much?
21,550.
Yes, then you give me. Oh, 2150. Give me. Let me show you again. These saris, I forgot to mention the price. Dear friends, this is for 2150. 2150. 2150, dear, for these two saris, which I have forgotten to show tell you the price. This is 2150. There's the same piece in red. And this is a beauty red, you know. Such a bright red. So beautiful. I'll just unfold the sari properly. এইভাবে দেখুন আপনারা, তাহলে আরো সুন্দর লাগবে. Look at this, how beautiful it looks. Isn't it nice? Dhonikhali sarees from Greenhouse. Oh, this is priced how much? I think that is again 2150. 2150. You get to see this design in power looms also, but they're all hand woven sarees, handloom sarees. The price may differ. You may get it at a cheaper rate from the market. Oh, shall we take this saree out? Let me show you. এটাও খুব সুন্দর. জামুন वाला কালার है ये. জামের রং, জাম রঙের শাড়ি, স্বাদ মিটিয়ে নিন জাম রঙের শাড়ি পরে, যাদের পছন্দ. Look at this, how beautiful. এই বাংলা শাড়িগুলোর বাহারই আলাদা. Look at this. Such a beauty and very good quality cotton. একেবারে ভালো weave, তাঁতের বুনন. Look at this. This is priced 3100. 3100. And this is the one again. একটু দেখিয়ে দিই. These are the fresh lot brought for you. They're all hand-picked items. So beautiful, this color, the weaving part of it. Everything is so nice about the sari. This is the sari. This is priced 2400. 2400 for this. এত मुलायम हो जाए, after wash it becomes buttery, silky. बहुत अच्छी बन जाती है. This is the one. Magenta and grey. What a super color. What a combination. Magenta and grey. ভারী সুন্দর এটা কিন্তু, magenta and grey combination. It's fantastic. It has a broad border. It will give you that height. খুব সুন্দর লাগবে এটা পরলে. And especially this is with vertical lines. It becomes difficult on loom to get these lines. They are generally horizontal lines. There's a vertical lines done up. These are all handloom sarees. The price is 3100 dear. 3100 for this piece. 3100. And the achal is stylish. $3,100. And this one is the talk of the town now, because once I showed you, it was in demand, and so much in demand. So my viewers are telling, what is wrong? You keep on taking this piece. So this is what it is. This looks like this. দেখুন, এই শাড়ির প্রচুর demand for this typical weave. It's inspired by Lambani work. Very fashionable sari. Style করুন এসব শাড়ি পরে. দুর্দান্ত শাড়ি আমাদের বাংলার. বাংলার শাড়ি পরুন. And this is for 3985. 3985, dear friends. What a beauty. Look at this. 3985 for you. And this is on Khadi weave. Wonderful piece. Oof, what a buttery feeling. একেবারে নরম, soft শাড়ি. A smart piece. Fashion করুন এই শাড়িটা পরে. You will stand out surely. You cannot skip anybody's eyes. এত সুন্দর লাগবে if you dress up well with this. ড্রেস সেন্স থাকতে হবে, সুন্দর একটা ব্লাউজ পরুন এর সঙ্গে অ্যান্ড খুব স্টাইলিশ ভাবে শাড়িটা পরুন। These are all hand weaves on khadi cotton. A superb one. Kya acha, this is the nature product, nature, these are all birds flying. This is the part, यही साड़ी का आन बान शान है. This is the part. It's a beautiful आंचल. लहरिया आंचल पहनिए, बहुत सुंदर लगेगा. Look at this. So very beautiful. And it has a blouse piece also. Look at the texture. Mulayam aquarius texture. Such a soft texture. This is for 4600, dear friends. 4600 for this piece. 46, Meena, hold it. It shouldn't fall on the floor. Look at this. This is the Jamdani work. The style like this, simple black and white I wanted to give you this time. Black and white e duto shari. যারা সুন্দর করে পরুন এগুলো, ভীষণ সুন্দর. It's a very stylish piece. Very stylish piece. With the blouse piece, this will cost you how much? 48 something, no? This is costing you 4800. 4800. Meena, hold it. Acha. This is the one I wanted to give you. This is the Shibori on tussar. Shibori on tussar. Yeah, color is so good. The color is wine purplish color. They are all organic colors and we can't describe it, so I'm depending on my camera. Look at this. This is the shibori effect. They're on tussar and they're needle shibori. What a stylish piece. All geometrical pattern with triangles and circles and rhombus and what not. This is like this. Needle shibori with the blouse piece is here. Look at the tie and dyed blouse piece. This is costing you 8,600. 8,600 for this piece is on tussar. This piece is on tussar. So here we will show you these few pieces. এটাও দেখিয়ে দিই. Look at this. This is shibori. Then again needle shibori with a wonderful green. It's again a very striking green. It isn't very loud, but it gives you a very beautiful effect. I'm very fond of greens, তাই আমার যে কোনো গ্রিনই अच्छी लग जाती है. This is a shaded green, shibori work. Shibori, those who are interested, today only somebody Some of my friend from Delhi, they've come and they wanted my shibori. So if you are watching the program, you can just look for into these shiboris. This is the shibori I have, and this is the blouse piece with the shibori. This has a blouse piece like this. Total, it looks so nice. The blouse piece is also covered with shibori work. 9,400 please. 9,400 for this beauty green one. 9,400. And here's the one with the beautiful again blue. ये वही राजस्थान वाला कलर है. इट्स तीखा तीखा कलर, काफी झटाक से अच्छा लग जाता है ये कलर को. एकदम आँख दिखती है कलर है, इतना सुंदर. लुक एट दिस. This is the party wear color एकेबारे. You can't wear it otherwise. इधर उधर नहीं पहन के अच्छी जगह पहनिए. Such a beauty. This is bandhani and shibori. So the price has gone up. It's a lot of work for this piece. Beautiful blue color. और देखिए इसका this side is, this is the blouse part of the sari. This is costing 13,400. 13,400, my dear friends. And one more, this also is a very wonderful effect. देखो नेटरो. This is a sober one. That was very striking. That blue is, ekdam party like. And this also looks very nice. Look at this. I'll rather go for this one. That is for maybe it won't suit me. Eta bhalo lage. This is the one with this. Eta dekhon. This is the blouse piece of the sari. And all on very good quality gachi. Tussar. They're all on tussar. 13,400 please. Yes, let me bring this sari to you. There was a dyed tussar with me. So, some herringbone stitches. These are all stitches. Hand stitches done up on a gachi tussar. Look at the designing part. আঁচলটা দেখুন, what a subtle একেবারে. ছোট ছোট গুড়ি কাঁথা দিয়ে কাজটা হয়েছে. Fantastic work. This is the one. The color is, this is deep coffee. No, Naki burnt. This is not black. Coffee or nahi bodha eta dark brown. This sari is not polished yet. It hasn't settled down. The stitches are yet to be. It'll look nice after polish. This is the sari. And here's the blouse for the sari. This is the blouse piece for the sari. This is 10,200 please. 10,200. This is one of them. Yeah, look at this. This is a Madhubani painting done up on my pashmina sari. This is the look of the painting. Has been also filled up with katha stitches and a lot more. There are knots also, knot stitches and katha stitches. Such a beauty. This is on a pashmina tussar, which is very soft, very elegant. Once you wear this, you'll fall for these. This is so bright and nice. Look at this. Ki shundar. These are all tie-dyed ones, all handwork. And here goes the aanchal of the sari. ये साड़ी का शान है. What a beauty. And this part is the blouse piece. You can make, no, this part is not the blouse piece. Yes, that's the blouse piece. Yes, this is the blouse piece. Blouse part of it. This is priced 12,840, but a very beautiful piece. 12,840. Look at this. Such a wonderful piece. Hold it. Oh, shall we show all this? Achha, this is coming regularly to me because of the demand. This is the design which is on half tussar. Half tussar design ta amader khub popular design. I may not open the sari. This is for 5,800. Though, achha, let me show you. This is the one. 5,800. This keeps happening in greenhouse. So I thought this is the new piece. This is on half tussar. 5,800 for a beauty. Pick up fast and do subscribe my channel. I keep on repeating, please do subscribe my channel. Share it with your friends. I'll be obliged, and so many others could watch our program. And subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon, which is a must. Hit the bell icon, please. This is the one, 5,800. Here's one more on a very beautiful, look at this, this was this kind of very good quality tangail with silver and zari border. Plain tangail we had with silver and we have developed this. All with hand booties, all Ari hand booties. And this is complete Ari work. Ari work is specialized, we are using it for so many days. This kind of, and this person who is working with me is a very skilled artisan. He is with me for years together. Ari work ka sari hai. Ektu jorir kaj ache alpo kore, and very beautiful. Style like this. And this is the second half. Price, this is 6,200. A decent one, 6,200. Spend this much and take it. This is a very beautiful piece. 6,200, all handwork sari. 6,200. And these are the two more on half tussar. Half tussar egulo, haan. These are half tussar saris. Egulo dekhun, egulo herringbone design and katha stitches all over to create a beautiful, a simple sari looks so elegant with this kind of work. Look at this. This will look like this. Total handwork. And we have a blouse piece like this over here. The blouse piece is also and the body color. Could you make out? The sleeves, they've given the design on the sleeves. These are all half tussar saris. Comfortable to wear, 4600. 4600 for this piece. Yeah, this is the one. And this is my last piece. This is again for 4600. Hope you've enjoyed. This is the one. I'll be finishing with this sari. Look at these. These are all half tussar ones. Half tussar saris. And we have given the blouse piece also. Green in color and small bit of work also on the blouse sleeves. And I sign off, and all happiness to you, dear. Love you all. Thank you.